The first step is to open Cetec ERP and click Production. Click Scheduling. Click Set Capacity. Click Use New Version. Select A from Date. Make sure your from date is always a date range before your to. Here we selected October 1st to October 7th. In this example, we have a full 7-day week meant to show our typical week. To see or change what a set day looks like, select Set Capacity on that date. Click Set Capacity. Click into the box you want to change. Type your capacity. Click Update. Now we select our to date. Remember to set the to date range as dates after the from date range. Here we have October 8th to November 4th. Batch setting our entire month. You can batch set as far into the future as you want. Click Copy Capacity. You can now see that my capacity for each day of the week matches my from days of the week. Here is an example of my Monday that has a finished good capacity for 240 on Mondays. Tuesdays in this example have a finished goods capacity of 480. That's it, you're done.